So hey guys, I am back with another fidget video. So yeah, let's show you some of my fidgets and let's get started. So let's see. Let's show all of my poppets. I have 5 or so poppets. Let me try to find my mini one. On. Ooh. Let me just take out my collection of stuff.
What about one of those things like when they do the
Where the heck is my mini poppet? It's in here. Okay, so I got my mini poppet back. Okay, so here are all of my poppets. So now we're just gonna, let me flip the camera. No, I want it this way. Okay. So we got all of these. So first we're gonna start with this mini poppet that I was taking a really long time to look for. I really like this. It's really good for on the go. I love it. But yeah, now let's do the next one. So the next one that I have is this purple poppet. It is a circle, and it's really nice. I really like it. It has some pretty good quality. Actually, I like it, and it's pretty good. But yeah, let's try the loud sides now. And here's a tip to tell if your poppet is on the loud side or not. So if it is on the loud side, you see it has like kind of 2 circles and not just 1 circle. So that's how I tell a lot, and it'll be less plump than the quiet side. So yeah, that's just a little tip. And then we have my hand poppet. I really like this. It is some pretty good quality. I got it at Five Below.
That's happened in our house.
Oops.
One time we went somewhere with kids, it was when that was.
But yeah, I really like this poppet. It's a really good one. It's kind of fun to just go, ooh. This, I do not like this poppet. But it's okay. It's just really hard, and I just don't like it, to be honest. But the loud side is pretty good. It's really easy to pop down.
Yeah,
see?
There's always someone home at the house, so they wouldn't be able to get away with it. Yeah, there you go. Your sister was on, right? Yeah.
See how easy that is to just pop down? And then it's hard on the other side. And then my personal favorite, my glittery pink one. Let me get it on the loud side. Okay.
Well, every time we try to go on vacation, there's always drama in the house.
Trust me, Jerome and I too. Usually, we leave me off the plane the last time.
You told me, yeah.
Oh yeah, that happened the last time with that.
Yeah, and I'm like, I was on the plane stressing it couldn't have landed quick enough. Right. I was like,
And yeah, those are all of my poppets. Now we're gonna do my stress balls. And then, actually, yeah, we're gonna do my stress balls.
I know.
So let me grab all of them. Okay, we're gonna put them over here. The camera moved a little bit. Okay, so those are all my stress balls. Let me show you. Because these are
Oh,
all
maybe
my
you should have
stress
a price
balls.
somewhere.
First, I have this like salt stress ball. I have two of them.
Well, she's
And then I
already
have
turned
this
21.
color changing
Oh,
one.
just turned 21.
Okay.
And this is not a needle.
So what did she do?
I really want a color changing needle, but I don't have one.
Where did she turn 21?
See?
April 2nd.
And then this one turns
She
pink.
almost said April Fool's baby, but
And then this is just a super needle.
yeah, I literally
A
thought
super
I was
needle.
gonna-
And I really like it.
And, you know,
It's one of my favorites. Okay, now let's get another fidget.
Oh, really?
Let's do squishies because I only have two of them. So first we have this one. I don't really like squishies, that's why I don't have much. But first we have this one. It's kind of soft. It has like a texture to it a little bit. And then we have this one. This is like a little cat. And it's really nice. But I just really don't like squishies. I mean, that's just my opinion. Now we're gonna do mochis. I have quite a few, and I'm gonna show some mochis that I don't think any other fidget collector has. But yeah, let's just show the regular ones. So let's move that up there. So first we have this cute little glow-in-the-dark hedgehog. My mochis are kind of dirty. But first we have this glow-in-the-dark hedgehog. And I love it. And then we have another glow-in-the-dark paw. It's really nice.
No, I
And then we have a glow-in-the-dark bear.
But I didn't want your dad to
And
see,
a
so
glow-in-the-dark
I
like dog thingy majuga. I don't know what it is. And then we have this star. Its face kind of rubbed off. And then we have this thing. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. And then we have this. It's pretty cool. And then we have this ducky. Its face also rubbed off. And then we have this little piggy. And then I don't think anybody else has this one. I don't think. Or this. I mean, I'm not sure. But, yeah. I don't know. And then I have this cute little bunny, which I got from Trading With, and this one. I traded a lot of stuff to get all of these mochis, but the glow-in-the-dark ones I got. So I don't think any other collector has this mochi. It's glittery. I really like it. Or this like cool little neon dinosaur. Maybe. I'm not sure. I'm positive no one else has this hedgehog or this little thingy majiga. This dinosaur mochi. I don't think. I'm not sure. But we're just gonna move on to things that other collectors do have. So first, an infinity cube. One of my favorites. So fun. And then we have a snapper. Love it. And then a tangle. I don't really like my tangle. It broke. I traded it. It was just like broke when I got it from trading. I mean, I don't really like it. So I'm gonna try to trade this when I do get a chance to. But yeah, I just don't like it. I think it's kind of just like a waste of money, but other collectors like these, but I'm just not one of those collectors. But yeah, that's all of my Fidgets. So thanks for watching. Bye!